Did you know that the average American household spends over $3,000 per year on dining out alone? That's just on eating out, not including other discretionary spending. That's a staggering amount of money that could be redirected towards savings, investments, or paying off debt. Think about how much more secure your financial future could be with that extra cash. Imagine the possibilities if you could reclaim even a fraction of that money. You could start a new hobby, travel more, or simply build a more robust emergency fund. You could be well on your way to achieving your financial goals, from buying a dream home to retiring early. The freedom to make choices without financial stress is invaluable. The first step is acknowledging the impact of unnecessary spending on your financial well-being. By being mindful of where your money goes, you can take control and make more informed decisions. Unnecessary spending, often disguised as small, insignificant purchases, is a silent killer of your financial dreams. It slowly but surely eats away at your hard-earned money, preventing you from achieving financial security. These seemingly harmless expenses, when accumulated over time, can amount to a significant sum that could have been used more wisely. By identifying and eliminating these budget leaks, you can regain control of your finances and start building a solid foundation for a brighter future. Let's shine a light on some of the most common spending traps that can quietly drain your finances. These traps lure us into overspending without us even realizing it. Dining out, while enjoyable and convenient, is a major culprit. Those daily coffees, restaurant meals, and takeout orders add up quickly, often costing more than we anticipate. Subscriptions are another sneaky expense that can go unnoticed. From streaming services to gym memberships, these recurring payments can drain your account without you even realizing it. They seem small individually but accumulate over time. And then there are the impulse buys, those tempting items we purchase on a whim without considering their true cost. These can be particularly dangerous during sales or when shopping online. Recognizing these spending traps is crucial to breaking free from their grip. By being aware of where your money goes, you can take control of your finances and make more informed decisions. Take control strategies to curb overspending. The good news is that taking control of your spending is entirely possible with the right strategies. Start by creating a budget. Track your income and expenses meticulously to understand where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. Negotiate better rates for services like insurance or cable. By making conscious spending choices and seeking out savings opportunities, you can free up significant cash flow. The cash envelope system, your secret weapon. One powerful method that can revolutionize your saving habits is the cash envelope system. This simple yet effective technique involves allocating specific amounts of cash for different spending categories each month. Once an envelope is empty, that's it. No more spending in that category until the next month. The cash envelope system promotes mindful spending and prevents overspending by providing a tangible reminder of your budget limits. Start saving today. $20,000 is within reach. Imagine the possibilities that come with achieving such a significant financial milestone. By implementing the strategies outlined above, you can take significant strides towards achieving your financial goals, including saving an impressive $20,000 this year. It may seem daunting at first, but with dedication and the right approach, it's entirely possible. It all starts with a commitment to making conscious spending choices and eliminating unnecessary expenses. Small changes in your daily habits can lead to substantial savings over time. Embrace the power of budgeting, track your spending diligently, and consider adopting the cash envelope system for an added layer of control. This method helps you visualize your spending and stay within your limits. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned, bringing you one step closer to financial freedom. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, as it keeps you motivated and on track. What are your best money-saving tips? Sharing your experiences and strategies can help others on their journey. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's inspire each other on this journey to financial success. Your insights could be the key to someone else's breakthrough. For more resources on budgeting and saving, subscribe to our channel. You'll find a wealth of information to guide you towards your financial goals.